Hey everyone, welcome back to USA Car Review. Today, we have something truly exciting for you, the 2025 Tata Nano. The legend is back, and it's better than ever. If you thought the Nano was just a budget-friendly car, think again. This new model brings a fresh, modern design, upgraded technology, and features that make it stand out in the compact car segment. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Tata Nano has been completely reimagined. The sleek, aerodynamic body gives it a futuristic look while still keeping its compact charm. The front end features sharp LED headlights, a stylish grille with the Tata emblem, and a sculpted hood that adds a bold character. The silver color option looks stunning, especially under showroom lights, giving it a premium, high-gloss finish. Moving to the side profile, the new Nano now has a more refined and dynamic stance. The alloy wheels, body-colored side mirrors, and smooth lines make it feel more upscale than ever before. It's still a small car, perfect for city driving, but Tata has made sure it doesn't look basic or outdated. At the rear, the updates continue with sleek LED taillights and a new bumper design. The Tata Nano name is boldly displayed, adding to its identity. The overall design now feels more solid, giving the car a more premium appeal compared to its predecessor. Now, let's talk about the interior. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the difference. The dashboard is modern, featuring a digital instrument cluster and a touchscreen infotainment system with all the latest connectivity options, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The steering wheel is equipped with multifunction controls, making it easy to navigate through various features while driving. The rear seats have been designed with comfort in mind. The silver-themed upholstery looks classy, and the seats are more cushioned and supportive than before. Despite its compact size, Tata has optimized space to provide decent legroom and headroom, making it a practical choice for urban commuters. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2025 Tata Nano comes with a refined and fuel-efficient engine, making it an ideal choice for city driving. The improved suspension and handling ensure a smoother ride, even on rough roads. And for those looking for an electric version, Tata might just have something in store for the future. In terms of safety, the new Nano is miles ahead of its older version. It now comes with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a reinforced body structure for added protection. Tata has clearly worked on making this car not just affordable but also safe for modern roads. So, who is the new Tata Nano for? If you're looking for a budget-friendly, fuel-efficient, and stylish city car with modern features, this is a great option. It's compact enough to navigate through traffic with ease, yet comfortable enough for daily commutes. Plus, with its new design and tech upgrades, it's no longer just an entry-level car, it's a smart choice for urban drivers. That's it for today's review of the 2025 Tata Nano. What do you think of the new design and features? Would you consider buying one? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to USA Car Review for more exciting car reviews. See you in the next video.